Hi, I'm Chef Joe with Giant Eagle. And with summer upon us, one of the best proteins to grill this summer is going to be our all-natural chicken breast. First tip I'd like to point out is even cooking. And how we're going to achieve that is using a Ziploc bag. We're going to put all of our chicken breasts into our Ziploc bag, close the lid, and get out as much air as you can. One of the main reasons we want to prepare our chicken breast like this is it's going to create more surface area and a more even breast, which will take flavors on better and cook more thoroughly the whole way through. The marinade I'm going to show you today is a very classical sweet and savory marinade that's going to go great with your chicken. First thing we're going to start with is a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Next we have brown sugar, our spices of salt, black pepper, and granulated garlic. We have soy sauce, lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce, and balsamic vinegar. We're going to mix all of this together until it becomes homogeneous. We're going to take our bag and pour in our marinade. And then we're going to let this sit in our refrigerator, preferably for 4 hours or overnight. One of the most overlooked aspects of grilling is having a beautifully clean grill. So you're going to want to get your grill brush and make sure you clean your grates. Okay, now it's time to grill. We're going to cook our chicken breast for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, flipping one time in between. Cook your chicken breast to an internal of 165 degrees. Once your chicken's cooked, transfer it to a plate and allow it to rest for 5 minutes before serving. For more great cooking tips and recipes, go to gianteagle.com.